Welcome to the world of rustic modern woodcraft, where the charm of traditional craftsmanship meets the sleekness of contemporary design. In this space, we celebrate the beauty of natural materials and the artistry involved in transforming them into unique pieces for your home. Whether you're an experienced artisan or just starting your creative journey, this is a vibrant community where ideas flourish and inspiration abounds. Here, you'll discover the endless possibilities that come with working with wood, as well as the techniques that can elevate your projects from ordinary to extraordinary. The fusion of rustic and modern styles has become a defining trend in home decor, captivating enthusiasts with its ability to create warm, inviting spaces that reflect both character and elegance. Rustic elements, often characterized by their raw, organic textures, blend seamlessly with modern aesthetics, which emphasize clean lines and functionality. This harmonious balance allows for the creation of pieces that not only serve a purpose, but also tell a story, enriching the narrative of any living space. In this exploration, we'll delve into innovative woodcraft projects that embody this unique style, offering insights into design techniques, marketability, and the joy of crafting items that resonate with today's design-savvy consumers. Join us as we embark on this creative adventure, where tradition meets modernity in the most beautiful ways. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of rustic modern woodcraft and want to stay updated on our latest projects, tips, and inspirations, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Joining our community means you'll never miss out on exciting new content designed to ignite your creativity and enhance your crafting skills. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, as your support encourages us to keep sharing our passion for woodworking. And make sure to stay until the end, where we'll reveal some exclusive insights and bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Your engagement not only helps us grow, but also fosters a vibrant community of fellow woodcraft enthusiasts eager to learn and share their experiences. Thank you for being part of this creative adventure. In the world of home decor, the fusion of rustic and modern styles has captured the hearts of many. This blend creates a warm, inviting atmosphere while maintaining a sleek and contemporary edge. Crafting unique wood projects that embody this aesthetic can not only beautify your living space, but also serve as profitable ventures. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility. It can be transformed into a myriad of functional and decorative items that appeal to a broad audience. One fascinating aspect of rustic modern decor is its ability to evoke nostalgia while catering to contemporary tastes. Many people are drawn to the charm of rustic elements, such as reclaimed materials that tell a story. When combined with modern lines and finishes, these pieces can create stunning focal points in any room. Imagine a beautifully crafted item that seamlessly integrates into a minimalist space, adding warmth and character without overwhelming the design. To begin your crafting journey, consider incorporating natural textures and earthy tones into your projects. Textured surfaces can add depth to modern aesthetics, while warm hues can evoke feelings of comfort and tranquility. The tactile quality of wood invites interaction, making it an ideal medium for both decor and functional pieces. Think about how the grains and knots of wood can enhance the visual appeal of your creations, making each piece one of a kind. When designing your projects, aim for a balance between form and function. Practical items, such as organizers or shelving units, can be elevated through thoughtful craftsmanship and design. A simple yet elegant piece can serve multiple purposes, such as providing storage while also functioning as art. This duality is a hallmark of successful modern decor, appealing to those who appreciate style without sacrificing practicality. Consider exploring different techniques that highlight the natural beauty of wood. Techniques such as distressing, staining, or even incorporating metal accents can enhance the rustic charm while maintaining a modern touch. These methods allow you to create unique textures and finishes that resonate with consumers seeking authenticity in their home decor. Moreover, think about the spaces where your creations will reside. Items designed for specific areas, like living rooms, kitchens, or outdoor patios, can help you target your audience more effectively. For instance, a rustic modern planter can add a touch of greenery to a sleek apartment, while a serving tray can elevate a dining experience. Tailoring your projects to fit specific environments can increase their appeal and marketability. Collaboration with local artisans or businesses can further enhance your project's uniqueness. By sourcing materials from local suppliers, you not only support your community, but also create a narrative around your products. This story can resonate with consumers who value sustainability and local craftsmanship, adding an extra layer of meaning to your creations. Additionally, marketing plays a crucial role in the success of your wood projects. Captivating visuals and engaging descriptions can draw customers in, while social media platforms provide an excellent avenue for showcasing your work. Sharing behind-the-scenes processes, from initial sketches to finished products, can foster a deeper connection with your audience. Transparency in your crafting journey can enhance consumer trust and loyalty. As you embark on this creative venture, don't shy away from experimenting with designs and concepts. The rustic modern style allows for a wide range of interpretations, so feel free to let your imagination run wild. Your unique perspective and creativity are what will set your projects apart in a crowded market. Embrace the freedom to innovate and adapt traditional methods to suit modern tastes. Moreover, consider the seasonal aspects of your projects. Certain items may be more popular during specific times of the year, such as holiday decor or outdoor furniture for summer gatherings. Keeping an eye on trends and consumer preferences can help you align your creations with market demands, increasing your chances of making successful sales throughout the year. In conclusion, the marriage of rustic and modern styles presents a wealth of opportunities for crafting unique wood projects. By focusing on quality, creativity, and storytelling, you can create pieces that resonate with consumers looking for both beauty and functionality in their home decor. Embrace the journey and let your passion for woodcraft shine through in every project. With dedication and innovation, you can turn your rustic modern creations into sought-after items that not only beautify spaces, but also tell a story of craftsmanship and creativity. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel, as this will keep you updated on all our latest projects and creative tips. A simple like can go a long way in helping us reach more fellow woodcraft enthusiasts, so don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up. And if you know someone who would benefit from or enjoy our content, please share it with them. Your engagement not only motivates us to continue creating, but also helps build a community of passionate crafters eager to explore the world of rustic modern woodwork together. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.